Uheani wa Mautungata ma Ugima wa Mwiri Mathibitari ciothe cia Thirikari Wona Mateta mao Maaga kũiguo Mugomo ũrĩa maugĩte magũtabania kuumia Muthii wa Rucio kuumia thaa thita.
Today we have met in Embu County with Embu doctors to launch the strike of all doctors of Embu County, and the strike shall commence tonight at 12 a.m. The reasons behind calling for this particular strike is that Embu doctors now have complained to the union that despite us giving a strike notice of 21 days, none of these particular issues that Embu County government has been able to address.
Murugamiriri Munene wa kiama kia Arigitani kia MPDU Mugambi augĩte atĩ thirikari ya Kaunti ya Embu nĩ ikoretwo ĩkĩmarĩithia mũkwa na kwaga kũigua mateta mao. Rĩu Mugambi akĩũria arwaru othe Embu gwetha motungata kaunti-inĩ ĩrĩa mariganĩtie. Oho akiuga kaunti ndĩkoretwo ĩkĩandĩka Arigitani kũrĩa rĩu ndagĩtarĩ ũmwe aratangĩkĩra arwaru aingĩ makĩria mũgarũ na mendekithia marĩa maheanĩtwo.
So starting tonight, we are closing all the hospitals, and we are warning and we are giving an advice to wananchi in Embu County that anyone who has got any patient admitted in Embu County, you have only 12 hours to discharge your patient and take them to other counties effective tonight. We want to state categorically that if our issues are not going to be addressed in the next 1 week or 2 weeks, we shall continue to be on strike to fight for our rights as Embu County doctors. Fighting shortage of doctors in Embu County, the WHO ratio should be 1 doctor serving 1,000 patients. And Embu County for now, we have less than 100 doctors. Yet, if we calculate the ratios in Embu County, the population of Embu County, the population that is getting served in Embu County is 700,000 to 1.2 million.
Nĩanyitĩtwo mbaru nĩ Danson Gitari ũrĩa ugĩte kũrũmĩrĩra kwaga kwandĩkana kwa mandagĩtarĩ rĩu kũrĩ na ũgwati mũnene wa kaunti gũkorwo na ũnyihu wa arigitani nĩtwo ĩrĩa ĩngĩkĩra arwaru ũgwati-inĩ hamwe na kũrutithia mandagĩtarĩ wĩra mũkĩru.
Telling the Embu County population and Embu County government, if what to hear us, that they need to look at each of these demands that we are raising here and address to them before midnight tonight. A failure to which we are down in tools, and we are going to do that for as long a time as ever till when they meet those demands in full.
Solidarity forever, for the union makes us strong.